Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and you can unlock the phone. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Notification and Control Center so you're in the right menu. You need permission to change System UI elements. Grant it when Realme requests access. Then tap Notification Shade or Control Center Layout to begin altering the bar. These first steps put you exactly where system options for the notification bar, live and ready for customization. Once done with navigation, decide which control center style you prefer, classic versus the new layout, because that determines where toggles appear. Next, enter Edit or Manage toggles and drag items to reorder, add, or remove quick settings. This changes what appears in the notification bar. Make sure to save or exit using the back arrow so changes commit. Also check the status icon settings to show or hide battery percentage and network indicators for a cleaner top bar. To finish, apply your changes and observe the notification bar. Subtle differences take effect immediately. If icons or toggles act oddly, reboot the phone to force the system UI to reload. If problems persist, reset the control center or notification customizations to default, then reapply your preferred layout. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no third-party theme or status bar app is conflicting. If you suspect a conflict, temporarily disable that app or install the latest system update.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.